Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I need to prove that I was actually able to pick it that fast, since Papa Gleb was unconvinced and he suggested milling it open. So since I can't pick it to control and I'm an impatient bastard, I am going to mill it open, but I don't want to wreck it. I really want this, so this piece is kind of free floating. Can't really see it. I don't know. Kind of free floating, so I'm thinking that maybe if I mill off, like maybe down to like right here on half of it, and then maybe this piece will slide out. I don't know. We'll see. So I got it out. Originally, I thought it was a good idea just that I could just mill across here and then it would slide out, like, because I wasn't thinking, because there's this piece here that fits in so that it will turn, and that won't allow it to slide out. So I ended up having to mill across the whole thing, and so I quickly just sanded it, and I moved the C-clip in there, so when I get it picked, I can easily get it out without having to force the C-ring and lock it back up like I do when I pick it, and I haven't thought of that before. I have not picked it yet. I have stuck my pick in there, like I'm doing right now, and I felt that kind of feels like stuff has changed, like it's not binding in the same order as it was previously. And so I'm thinking that there must be some dust or something that is getting in the way. Ah! There we go. Alright, now I'm going to slide this over here. Sweet. Because it has not left frame yet. For all you skeptics, Papa Gleb. See, I don't actually have a vise. That's what I've been using to hold my camera. So I'm actually going to put it in my vise. I don't have a stand, I have a vise. because I'm really interested, because I finally got it open. Want me to got it and see what is in that thing. Okay. Let's see, do I have, where's my sheet? I don't know why I did not think to organize this more. The plug follower's gone. It's sitting right here. Okay. So, let's see if we can get that thing out at all. So help me. Where is Aha. All right. Got it. Hopefully we'll be able to use that after. Okay. All right. I am very interested to see what's inside this thing. Okay. My damn thing is crooked. Oh shit. Aha. All right. Something feels weird on this side. Oh, it's just the side pins popping out. Okay. All right. So, firstly, it did in fact pick it, and there are side pin bar that's intact. And oh, there is a side. Is it missing a? I might have dropped it, but I don't know where that other finger pin went. Shit. There were definitely 5 and a spring fell out. Oh, here it is. There we go. So, finger pins. We'll put them up here. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh well. And I dropped some of my bitting, but since I didn't have a key, it's not like it matters at all. Oh, there goes the other one. All right, so here's the core. Red plug. All right, now for the interesting part, which is what evilness is inside the body, because I guarantee it's different. All right, pin 1 is the normal Assa spool with no additional pin. Assa spool. Now it should be starting to get a little bit different. All right, looks like a giant standard. Can't. I think there's another pin in there. Where the fuck did my flashlight go? Yeah. Another pin in there. Of course, I decided that those were a good spot for the finger pins. We're gonna move them. Ooh, that's actually probably bad that I don't know the order, because I don't know how crap I'm gonna get that out. It's so small. Ooh, special looking spring. I will show you these at the end. All of Assa's goodness. Well, there shot out something. Wow, that is a long. Wow. And what? Look at that. You can't see it, but it's like capped. It's like the ultimate tiny wafer. Another longer one. And one of those weird caps again. And last, another standard, and oh, look at that. Neat. Not exactly sure what the special function of that would be, other than maybe conserving space, and the spring would go inside of it. Now the beautiful challenge of figuring out how to get this core out. Now there's nothing in it. Did it retract? Nope. Watch, it probably has spring tension on it or something. Well, for whatever reason, it's not wanting to come out. Even though you can see that it retracted or something. Damn, I was really hoping to figure this guy out. Dang you, Assa. Messing me up all the time. Oh, oh. There we go. Got it. Bam. Sweet. All right. Wow. Look at this. Crazy contraption. This is sweet. I've not played with many interchangeable cores. Looks like it goes like that. And when it's locked, it's in the lock position, and it's like that. Cool. Assa, you double. All right, well, there we go. Fully pinned. I don't know, what is that? Yeah, let's just mill out right here for shits and giggles. Yeah, because it's not a cover that I can see. Anyway, okay. Assa, 6-pin interchangeable lock, picked and murdered to control. Well, kept me out. All right.